Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Y'all already know what it is and what it's not. If you hear noise in the background, I'm sorry, but the ice cream truck decided that he's gonna come right now, so that's how it is. So before I even get into this video, do not forget to follow me on all my social medias. My business Instagram is ricas.galore and my regular Instagram is princess_.s. So do not forget to follow me on there. You know, I'm getting my page together, both of them. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And let's get into the video. So y'all see I'm in this video looking rough because I'm about to do my eyebrows on camera. So every time I come on camera to like get ready or something, my eyebrows are already done. But this video is like, I guess for y'all, but mainly for one of my friends because she loves when I do my eyebrows. I don't know why, but she does. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to do it so she can reference this video and she can stop asking me to do her makeup. Because every time I do people's makeup, she always talks about how much she loves their eyebrows. So I'm gonna do this video so she can leave me alone and do her own makeup. Yes, Leah, I'm talking to you, boo. Anyways, okay, so first thing I do is I put on the Pond's Dry Skin Cream on my whole face. This is the only cream I use on my face because it's just oily and nice and all that good stuff. I need a mirror. I have one behind me. I need a close up mirror, baby. Close up. I'm gonna zoom you guys out though. So I never done this before, so hopefully it looks good. Okay, so I know that this one girl, she was saying how she doesn't really like to put lotion and stuff on her eyebrows because it gives it an oily base. But I actually like it because it gives me a smoother base. I know it sounds weird, but it just does. So first things first is pluck your eyebrows. You do not want to have no crusty looking eyebrows. You need to pluck that, okay? So I always do my own eyebrows. I just pluck them. Okay, and then the extremely small hairs, I just take one of them eyebrow razors and so now that that part is done, you can just brush your eyebrows into shape, and if there's any hairs that needs to be gone, get them out, okay, baby? Get them out. Okay, so now for the actual fill-in process, I use this medium brown. It's an eyeliner, but it just works better than a lot of the brow pencils that I use, so that's why I use it. It's an LA Girl eyeliner in the color medium brown. I get it at the hair store, girl. When I tell you I pick up a bunch of them, yeah, this is what it looks like. Zoom out some. That's what it is. So I just use this. And it's already sharpened. So. Oh, wow. Y'all. I'm sorry. Let me come a bit closer so that y'all can see while I'm using the mirror. So basically what I do. Basically what I do is I just underline the bottom of my brow, as you guys are going to see. And then once I start underlining the bottom of my brow, I just like shade in the rest of the brow. And then I do the top. It just depends on how I do it. But for this video here, what I'm doing is I shade it in. And then I'm going to fix the tail, as you guys can see, because the tail is a bit thin at first. But I'm going to get it all together in a minute, okay? So yeah. So I find that the method that works best for me is just to brush as I go, because a lot of times when you're filling in your brows, the product will build up in one spot. So when you brush, it goes it distributes evenly, and then once it distributes evenly, you can see where you need to go back and fix or where it's all good. So that's what you're going to see me doing throughout the whole video, just going in and brush. So I'm just switching between filling in and brushing, filling in and brushing. I want to say this is my last time coming on this voiceover because I want you guys to just watch, but it might not be. But anyways, I just want to say that I do realize that one of my brows is more arched than the other one, and one of them is more straighter than the other. That's how my natural, what am I talking about? I'm sorry. That's how my natural eyebrows grow. So I am working on trying to get them evenly. But for right now, this is what you guys get. At the end of the day, when you look at me, you still see some good brows. You don't see a messed up brow, but I just wanted to put that in there that I do realize that they're different. But as long as they're the same thickness and everything, that's all that's good. But I'm still working on getting them together. But for right now, this is what you guys get, okay? So you take it or leave it. Thank you, loves. Okay, so now that the whole filling process is technically done, it's not really done because I'm gonna go back in once I do the conceal, all that business. So normally what I would do is I would conceal, if I'm gonna do a full face, I will conceal my eyebrows with the color Beautiful Bronze. But because that's if I'm doing like a full face of makeup, foundation, the whole 9. But if I'm only doing my eyebrows, I'm going to use a foundation so that it looks more like my skin. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in the color 430 because this is my color, baby. So, and then I'm going to be using this angled brush. There's a regular, well, I don't know if it's an eyebrow brush, baby, but it's my eyebrow brush. And I just put a little dots on my hands, on the back of my hand. And then I get to work, honey. My cousin has been telling me that I should do makeup videos because on a real, like, when I get down in the makeup, I get down. Like, I do not play. Like, I can do a little something, something. And the eyeshadow looks that I always do, they always come out popping. But, like, I don't be doing makeup on YouTube because people be like, oh, you're doing it wrong and all that. And girl, I don't have time to hear none of y'all negative Nancy's talking about something. I'm doing it wrong. I'm doing it the way how I want to, okay, period. But yeah, this is basically it. This eyebrow is always my fave. I'm gonna fix this right here because like I said before, I did get some concealer in the brow. Fix that up. Fix that up. I'm so sorry. And then you'll be done powering your lashes and stuff. Do your edges. I'm gonna put on some lip gloss, some Ricas Galore lip gloss, cause Ricas Galore way or no way. This is part of my new collection, this scent, but we don't talk about it. But yeah, girl. So that's basically how I do my eyebrows. Nothing special. A few products, literally 2. The eyebrow pencil and the foundation. You don't need much to get a good looking brow. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all to see. And yeah, that's it, guys. It's not eyebrows. I feel like makeup is something that expresses you, so you do it how you want to do it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to share with a friend. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at ricas.galore and my main page at princess_.s. I love you guys so much. Bye, loves.